is for apple, apple. A is for ant, ant. B is for ball, ball. B is for bat, bat. C is for cat, cat. C is for car, car. D is for dog, dog. D is for duck, duck. E is for elephant, elephant. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat, goat. G is for goose, goose. H is for goat, hat. H is for hen, hen. I is for igloo, glue. I is for insect, insect. J is for jam, jam. J is for jet, jet. K is for kite, kite. K is for key, key. L is for lion, lion. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for mouse, mouse. M is for moon, moon. N is for nest, nest. N is for nut, nut. O is for octopus, octopus. O is for owl, owl. P is for pig, pig. P is for pan, pan. Q is for queen, queen. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rat, rat. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. S is for star, star. T is for tiger. T is for tree, tree. U is for umbrella, umbrella. U is for up, up. V is for van, van. V is for violin, violin. W is for whale, whale. W is for window, window. X is for xylophone, xylophone. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yak, yak. Y is for yellow, yak, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zoo, zoo. Let's sing our ABCs, let's learn our sounds. Come along and sing with me, let's all gather round. Now you know your ABCs with all the sounds from A to Z. Sing the song and have some fun, learning letters one by one.
This is red. The color red, do red, 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 just like we said. This is red, the color red. Do you know what color this is? This is red. This is blue, the color blue. Blue, 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 so bright and true. This is blue, the color blue. Do you know what color this is? This is blue. This is green, the color green. Green, 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 fresh and clean. This is green, the color green. Do you know what color this is? This is green. This is green, the color green. Green, Gray, 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 cloudy today. This is gray, the color gray. Do you know what color this is? This is gray. This is black, the color black. Black, 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 no looking back. This is black, the color black. Do you know what color this is? This is black. This is brown, the color brown. Brown, 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 we're all around. This is brown, the color brown. Do you know what color this is? This is brown. This is orange, the color orange. Orange, 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 oh so fun. This is orange, the color orange. Do you know what color this is? This is orange. This is purple, the color purple. Purple, 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 royal and cool. This is purple, the color purple. Do you know what color this is? This is purple. This is pink, the color pink. Pink, 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 what do you think? This is pink, the color pink. Do you know what color this is? This is pink. Red, blue, green, and yellow. White and gray, soft and mellow. Black and brown, orange too. Purple and pink just for you. Sing along, clap your hands, let's learn colors. Take a stand, colors are fun, colors are bright. Sing them now, say them right.
Red, red like a shiny apple bright. Orange like the sunset light. Yellow, yellow like the sun so high. Come and learn colors, give it a try. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red or yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Green, green like the grass so tall. Blue, blue like the sky we call. Purple, purple like flowers in bloom. Colors paint the world and light up the room. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red or yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Pink, brown and black so bold. White and gray with stories untold. Mix them all, what do we see? A rainbow shining bright with glee. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red or yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Colors, colors all around. Learning colors with joyful sound. Let's all sing it loud and true. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple too. Colors, colors all around. Learning colors with joyful sound. Let's all sing it loud and true. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple too. Purple too.
Get ready, kid. Let's sing the ABCs and have some fun. A for apple, red and round. B for ball that bounces on the ground. C for cat with a happy meow. D for dog that barks so loud. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish that swims along. G for goat that says baba. H for hat you wear, hurrah! Let's sing, let's play, let's shout hooray! Learning letters all the way from A to Z. Come sing with me, it's as fun can be. I for igloo made of snow. J for jug where water flows. K for kite that flies so high. L for lion with a mighty cry. M for moon that shines so bright. N for nest with birds in flight. O for owl with big round eyes. P for parrot, colorful and wise. Let's sing, let's play, let's shout hooray! Learning letters all the way from A to Z. Come sing with me, it's as fun can be. Q for queen with the golden crown. R for rabbit that hops around. S for sun that warms the day. T for train that chugs away. U for umbrella on rainy days. V for van that drives away. W for whale in the ocean blue. X for xylophone playing for you. Y for yak with furry hair. Z for zebra with stripes to spare. Now we've learned our ABCs. Sing again and dance with me.
A is for ant, marching in a line. B is for butterfly, fluttering so fine. C is for cricket, singing in the night. D is for dragonfly, flying with delight. E is for earwig, hiding in the shade. F is for firefly, lighting up the glade.
O is for grasshopper, hopping high and fast. H is for honeybee, buzzing as it passed. I is for inchworm, crawling on a leaf. J is for June bug, bringing summer brief.
K is for katydid, chirping in the tree. L is for ladybug, cute as it can be.
M is for mosquito, buzzing near your ear. N is for netwing, beetle flying near.
O is for owl moth, resting in the dark. P is for praying mantis, still and stark. With grace. R is for rhinoceros beetle, strong in the race.
O is for stick bug, hiding in plain view.
T is for termite, building tunnels too.
U is for underwing moth, hiding in disguise.
V is for velvet ant, a wasp in surprise.
O U is for wasp, flying here and there.
X is for xylocopa, carpenter bee with flair.
Will I for yellow jacket, fast and bold.
Z is for zebra butterfly, striped and gold.
Red, red strawberries, red apples on the trees, red hearts and poppies. We love the color red. Orange, orange, oranges, orange juice and pumpkins, orange lamp and mandarins. We love the color orange. Yellow, yellow sunflowers, yellow sun and yellow cars, yellow birds and bananas. We love the color yellow. Green, green Christmas tree, green plants and green peas, green fields and broccoli. We love the color green. Blue, blue, blueberry pie, blue sea, blue sky, blue eyes and dragonfly. We love the color blue. Purple, purple lavender, purple crystal, purple flower, purple plums and purple house. We love the color purple. White, white mistletoe, white clouds, white snow, white doves and window. We love the color white. Gray, gray mountains, gray fish and fountains, gray stones and elephants. We love the color gray. Black, black, blackberries, black cats and black seeds, black night and black sheep. We love the color black. Brown, brown teddy bear, Brown dog and brown chair, brown cow and brown hair. We love the color brown. Pink, pink flamingos, pink bike and pink bows, pink shoes and pink rose. We love the color pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, gray, black, brown and pink. We love all the colors.